Moving on, a standing committee on defence meeting commences at the Parliament Annex. As per sources from Defence Committee, the meet that is taking place today, the committee will support the government's actions taken in the Pahalgam attack, and a resolution to this effect may also be tabled. Some MPs from opposition parties will also demand to table the Pahalgam attack report. The Parliament Standing Committee meet that has already commenced, and this key meet that is taking place in the Parliament, where the Defence Committee is meeting today, and the committee will support the government's action taken in the Pahalgam attack and ensure that it reaches finality. A resolution to this effect may also be tabled in the Parliament today, and some MPs from opposition parties will also demand that the Pahalgam attack report be tabled, is what we are learning. Source-based information coming in on this meeting that has already commenced, and let me cut across to Harsha joining us from the North Block to take us through further details of this meeting that has commenced and what is expected.
So, Swesha, the meeting timing was at 3 o'clock and meeting has already commenced at the Parliamentary Annex where all the meeting.
And in this meeting, however, the agenda of the meeting is the health services of ex-servicemen, but the core agenda is also going to be the Pahalgam terror attack. And we have also got to know that several opposition MPs are today going to speak on the government actions which has been taken on the Pahalgam terror attack. They are going to support the actions till now which has been taken by the government.
Support the actions till now which has been taken by the government, be diplomatically, and the other ways. And what the government is strategizing, they have showcased their full support to government. And also we have got to know that the resolution will also be taken today in the meeting. And also few of the opposition leaders are of the opinion that what happened during Pahalgam, during Pulwama terror attack, the entire report should be submitted and tabled by the government in this meeting. However, the agenda is not this, so the chairman of the meeting, Radha Mohan Singh, can also clearly state that this is not the agenda of the meeting, but opposition parties are of the opinion that majorly the terror attack, this one and the past one, should be discussed in the meeting. However, they have showcased their full support to the government on the actions taken. But what further is government planning? The security measures, the security concerns, the deployment of para forces, security forces in different vantage points where exactly the terror attack took place, what government is doing right now. These opposition party